Wonderful response for the color idioms, and these color idioms, wonderful retake. We have taken up red, yellow, green, blue, white, black, and today an amalgamation of all the colors, an amalgamation of different scenarios of colors which will add new knowledge, right? So let's begin with our color idioms for today and see what series more we have further on this. We have different colors, as I have been talking of, that colors play a very important role in the world we live in. Colors can sway thinking, colors can change actions, they can cause reactions, it can irritate or soothe your eyes, it can raise your blood pressure or suppress your appetite. Like death and taxes, there is no escaping color. It is ubiquitous, but what does it all mean? Have you ever thought of why people are more relaxed in green rooms, or what does that matter? Why do weightlifters do their best in green gyms? And critics view that as an overstatement, as an hyperbolic statement of what can be justified by research, and point out that different colors have complete different interpretations of colors. When used in the right ways, colors can save energy consumption, right? So when used in the wrong ways, colors can contribute to global pollution too. When we have different colors, we have practitioners of color psychologies have called about, and they have talked of color consultants who will guide you, tell you about different colors. Claim hues in the red area of the color are typically viewed as warm colors. Blue and green considered more of the cool colors. Reds are also viewed as active and exciting, while the blues and greens are viewed as soothing and passive colors. Psychological tests have revealed several responses and similar responses to it. Because, when you say he became red, paint the town red, or red color, this means activeness. This means more of energy and vigor. Vibrant thinking. Red hues increase the body's tension and stimulate the autonomic nervous system, while cool hues release tension. As a powerful form of communication, color is irreplaceable. Color is red means stop and green means go. Traffic lights send this universal message. Likewise, the color used for a product, that is the website, business cards, logo cause powerful sections, powerful reactions they cause. Let's have a quick peek into the unique world of colors. Today, before I turn to two basic colors that were left in between, I take up that is the color purple. We have just 3 idioms related with purple. Purple heart is bravery. Purple is something which is bravery, something which is audacious, bold and brave. Something that will lead you to rise to a height where you feel nothing is lacking in you and you feel you are more audacious, bold and brave. Audacious, bold, brave. Sometimes when you use a word in English, of course it's a negative word. Please explain the difference. That is brazen. Brazen is shamelessly bold. Brazen is a person who is shamelessly bold, right? That is Purple Heart. So it was the Purple Heart patriots who helped us to win our freedom. Yes. Purple in the face or purple with rage. That means you are very, very angry, right? Very angry here means you lose your temper, you are full of wrath, you are full of fury, you are full of anger. You are full of fury, full of wrath, out of wits, and one more idiom, that is fly out of handle. Even we could use yes, very good, that is red-eyed. So we have 5 to 6 idioms linking with the same, that is extremely angry, full of wrath, full of fury, out of wits, full of flight of handle, red-eyed, too much angry, lose one's temper, get very angry, or purple in the face, or purple with rage. So rage itself is fury and anger. So that anger which you show is the rage. You know, see, purple and red is quite close words. When you add, how do you get this purple color? Purple you get by a combination of blue plus red. That is purple. I want to prescribe one book for you. In fact, I'll have to make a change in this. Color purple. The spelling of color is different, that's why I have to rechange it again and again. This is the novel by Alice Walker. It's an epistolic novel, that is in the form of a diary entry. I repeat, it is in the form of a diary entry. It's a story of a girl of 14 years who talks to God. Right? So that is purple. Color purple I wanted because purple had come, so I wanted you to remember this for color purple. Now, purple prose. What is purple prose? Purple prose is a piece of writing which is complicated or sounds false because the writer may have tried too hard to make the style interesting. It's sounding false, it's more of ornate decoration is there. It's an ornate style. It's very over decorative style. It sounds false because it's not realistic. Why? Because the writer may have tried too hard to make the style interesting. You know, some things happen spontaneously. Some things you can't forcefully let it happen. So you have the writer tried too hard to make the style interesting. You find that this is a purple prose passage, somebody would say. Why? Because this passage doesn't appear real. You know, you see a person jumping from one place to other like a Krish or something, a Superman or superhero. Does it really happen in life? Is somebody a Spider-Man or Superman? No, it doesn't happen. So you don't have that interest in reading because you feel, oh, what is the writer talking? This doesn't happen in real life. You need characters who are grey characters. What is the reason of the popularity of Shakespeare? Is his evergreen style. He's got that, you know, he paints his characters in the grey shade because they are saints and they are devils. This is a combination of both, right? I try to make the sentence for all the three. Purple Heart warriors were the patriots who helped us to free India from the clutches of Britishers. He was purple in the face when his friend left him in lurch. Nobody likes to read purple prose, or purple prose is usually not attended to. Purple prose is usually not attended to. Turning to grey color. I have taken, you can see, a quick recap of the yellow color that I have already taken with you. I am showing you all the slides, then I have already taken with you the white color. You can see that. Then I had taken the red color along with you, almost on the verge of the last stages of our color. And purple color, this was the one that I took off. And with purple, I want to add up one more thing to, here it is, to be in the pink of health. That means hale and hearty. All healthy, everything good. We used to write letters long back, and in the letters we used to write he is in the pink of health. What is he is in the pink of health? That means in the bright spirits, everything fine. I hope I'm okay here. I hope you are okay there. I'm in the pink of health, everything fine, hale and hearty, linked with the pink color. She's in her pinks. That means very happy, prosperous, positive word, right? Then I had taken the green color with you, and I'm moving to grey color. Now grey is formed by the combination of two colors. Grey is formed by the combination of two colors, that is black plus white. Black plus white. Now black is evil, white is pure, and grey is a combination of both. We are in fact grey characters. Shakespeare's, as I was talking of in the last video also, Shakespeare's characters are grey. Why are Shakespeare's characters grey? Because they are a combination of black and white. We are all devils. We are all saints. We are all serpents, we are all goats. We are a combination and amalgamation of good. Man is a bundle of virtues and vices. Good and bad exist together, two sides of the coin. Good and bad, that is black and white, is part and parcel of ourselves, human beings. So that is why we have this black shade here, and we have white shade here, and we have a grey color. Now grey area is lack of clarity. Lack of clarity means misunderstanding. Lack of understanding, misunderstanding, not good rapport, not good relation. That would be the word here. That is some kind of lack of harmony in the relationship, discord, right? Grey matter is a person's intelligence. He has got a lot of grey matter. That means he is an erudite, he is a learned scholar, he is a genius, he is cogent, scintillating, right, knowledgeable. I don't have to read from the books or something. The words are all linked with the roots, and I've discussed these roots various times with you. Cog is mind or knowledge. SCI is mind and knowledge. It's the same. A person who is full of knowledge, mind, vistas of knowledge are opening in him. That is the person. You lawyers have a lot of grey matter. The grey pound or grey dollar is the money which all old people are at the ground have available to spend. That means you have some money which you have saved for your rainy day, and that money that you used, that would be grey pound or grey dollar. Grey eminence is somebody who is without an official position, who has no power or influence over the rules or people who make decisions. He is someone without official power, right? No office power the person has, but he still have that powerous things to take decisions for people. Like you, Bal Thackeray. And the last, grey market. It's a market for imported goods operating outside the authorized system of distribution. It is a system of distribution where you divide things and you get the imported things without, they are not available in the market. They are imported items and they're sold illegally. That is the grey market. I hope all the color idioms you have enjoyed and you have marked all of them. So please do like and subscribe it. Thank you, students.